You wake up tired. You go to work tired. And somehow your bank account is still empty. So where is all the money going? Because most people don't have a money problem. They have a behavior problem. And nobody talks about it. You know what's scary? A lot of people make decent money and still feel broke every single month. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because they were taught to use money emotionally. Think about this. Have you ever bought something just because you had a bad day? Yeah, me too. That random late-night order. The food delivery you didn't need. The small purchases that somehow become hundreds of dollars every month. Here's the crazy part. Most people aren't addicted to spending money. They're addicted to escaping stress. And companies know that. That's why your phone is constantly selling you a better life. Better clothes. Better car. Better lifestyle. Meanwhile, your real life stays the same. Pause for a second. When was the last time you bought something and actually felt happier a week later? Exactly. Nobody tells you this, but being broke is exhausting mentally. Changes how you think. You stop taking risks. You stop believing things can change. You start surviving instead of building. And the worst part? After a while, struggle starts feeling normal. That's dangerous. Because once your mind adapts to living stressed, you stop fighting to escape it. But the people who change their financial life usually do one thing differently. They stop using money to impress people and start using it to buy freedom. Freedom from panic. Freedom from debt. Freedom from waking up afraid of bills. That shift changes everything. Not overnight. Not magically. But slowly. And honestly, the biggest flex in 2026 isn't looking rich. It's being calm. It's sleeping peacefully. It's checking your bank account without anxiety. It's not needing validation every time you spend money. That's real wealth. And most people realize it way too late.